Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. It's my belief that if your audience is not growing, your business is dying. Okay? Very, very, very important. Part of life is growth. Oftentimes, a lot of people do not understand this concept of you need more people to know you exist in order to continuously build our income to allow us to be able to do this full time and impact more people. Okay? A great story of this. So, when I was first starting, right, I wanted to have a small group of people who were, trying to work with me. But it wasn't until I started, really seeing what the greater need in the market was and exactly how many people needed my help that I was able to see, oh wow, I'm thinking way too small. I need to be offering great services to an ever increasing number of patrons, an ever increasing, number of people. That's what we need to do as, in our community, is help out as many people as possible in a way that allows us not to stretch ourselves too thin, but, still meets the need a lot stronger. If that's something that you've been searching for, how to do that, how to go impact more people, how to go help out more people, I recommend you go join our group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Part of the group is I walk you through step by step how we're able to, grow our business and what it takes to actually, increase our business and so that you can do the same for yours. If that's what you're searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day. Take it easy. Talk to you soon. See you later, and sayonara. Don't forget to subscribe.